Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate a very beautiful festival that is Rakshabandhan. Let us start our morning assembly with a prayer. Close your eyes and fold your hands. Dear God, you are the giver of all wisdom. Grant us today your peace and grace. Make us obedient children to do what is right. Give us the spirit of excellence in all that we do. Thank you for our parents, family, teachers, and friends. Keep us safe from all harm and danger. Let us celebrate the eternal bond between brother and sister. The chaste bond between brother and sister is one of the deepest and noblest of all human emotions. Now, I request Devansh to present thought for the day.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Thought of the day. Brother and sister together as friends, ready to face whatever life sends. Joy and laughter or tears and strife, holding hands tightly as we dance through life. I repeat the thought. Brother and sister together as friends, ready to face whatever life sends. Joy and laughter or tears and strife, holding hands tightly as we dance through life.
Thank you, Devansh. Now, I hand over to Kabir and Paki.
Are you excited because you are getting many gifts? What is the relevance of this festival?
Hey, I'm so excited for Rakshabandhan because I'm going to see my brothers after so long and I will be receiving many gifts too. Yes, Rakshabandhan or Rakhi is a special occasion to celebrate the emotional bonding by tying a holy thread around the wrist. This thread, which pulsates the sisterly love and sublime sentiments, is rightly called Rakhi. Since it means a bond of protection, and Rakshabandhan signifies that the strong must protect from all that's evil. It gives strength to relationship of brother and sister.
That's nice. My grandmother once told me a story about why do we celebrate this festival.
Rakshabandhan is a festival that is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Sawan, according to the Hindu lunar calendar. There are many stories that why do we celebrate Rakshabandhan. So few I am telling you. As per an account of Bhagavad Gita Purana and Vishnu Purana, when Lord Vishnu won the 3 worlds from the demon king Bali, he asked by the demon kings to stay beside him in the palace. The Lord accepted the request and started living with the demon king. However, goddess Lakshmi, wife of Lord Vishnu, wanted to return to his native place of Vaikuntha. So, she tied Rakhi around the wrist of the demon king, Bali, and made him a brother. On asking about the written gift, goddess Lakshmi asked Bali to free her husband from the vow and let him return to Vaikuntha. Bali agreed to the request and Lord Vishnu returned to his place with his wife goddess Lakshmi. This legend is considered to be the reason behind the celebration of Rakshabandhan. Lord Ganesha had 2 sons who asked him to bring a sister who would tie Rakhi to them. Ganesha then created Santoshi Ma who tied Rakhi to sons.
Wow, I'm amazed to hear this story.
Let us invite Shriyanka Di to present a beautiful song in front of you.
Oh
What a melodious song it was. Are we missing something? Celebration is incomplete without the dance. Don't you think so?
Yes, why not? Let's invite Himanya Khandelwal and Arushi Paul for the dance performance.
ये बंधन दिलों के बंधन, ये नाते दिलों के नाते, ये बंधन दिलों के बंधन, ये नाते दिलों के नाते तय होते हैं अंबर पे, धरती पे जोड़े जाते। रंग जीवन के रंग डाले, जिनकी होती है बहना ओ भाई किस्मत वाले,
जिनकी होती है बहना ओ भाई किस्मत वाले।
राखी के कच्चे धागों से क्या बंधन है बनाए,
बंधन ये बंधन, बंधन ये बंधन,
ये बंधन दिलों के बंधन, ये नाते दिलों के नाते तय होते हैं अंबर पे, धरती पे जोड़े जाते।
Yes, so with this we come to an end to our performances.